Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Chevy Blazer. Chevy Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to drive in, and decently capable off-road. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.